So here it is on a lovely day in Nowed, and here's my glamorous young assistant who's just gathered her walnuts, and here's the motor car that's making a funny gearbox noise. And this is just ticking over, accelerated tick over in neutral, and making sort of normal sort of noises. I'll just put the microphone to a screwdriver. And now if you can put it into first, Catherine. And immediately there's a grinding noise starts. Can you turn the wheel to left and to right, Catherine? It doesn't seem to change the noise at all when the steering lock is applied. Okay. What you do notice is that the left-hand wheel is spinning quite freely, and the right-hand wheel is spinning not at all. Okay, so now we're going to go into second gear. There's the noise building up, and now into third gear. The tempo of the noise builds up again, and into fourth gear. Now back into neutral and first. So that's in first. What I'll do is try and stop the wheels spinning. And now into second. So I'm stopping the wheels spinning, but the noise is still quite distinct. You think you could come and hold the wheel, Catherine? Now, of course, the right-hand wheel is spinning quite freely. And the noise is there, which makes me think it's not the drive shaft. Okay, let go. So, I don't think the car's very safe to drive. I'll turn it off.